it, my last question is always some variation of, if you could go back to any point in your writing career, wherever you like, and give yourself some advice that would have made a difference for you and might make a difference for everyone that's watching or listening to us, what would you go back and tell yourself?
I would tell myself that writing is such a roller coaster of a journey, that the highs are about as high as you can imagine, and the lows can be really low, and to keep going. I think that's it. I mean, and I did, here's the thing, is that even at the point when I felt at my lowest and I was just losing patience with everything, and I felt like I was going nowhere, I kept going, because of my children, of course, but also because I just have an innate stubbornness about me where I'm just like, I'm just not going to give up. Like, I don't give up. So I would tell myself at those points, because there's not like there's just one point. There are like multiple times where you're like, oh my God, what am I even doing? Right. To just keep going and just to write whatever I wanted to. And that I would and maybe just give myself a hint. Because I think also that, like, in all the movies where you know the future, it's all really bad. So I wouldn't really want to know the future, but I would tell myself that writing what was in my heart was never going to let me down. And that means, like, whether something is published or not published, the act of writing something you care about is worthwhile in and of itself. And the rest of it, we have very little control over. So we should just we should let go of that part that is not controllable, and just focus on the things that we can control, which is us. That is the only thing we can control, is you, the writer. So I would tell myself that when the times were rough, to just focus on the part that I could control and take joy in it, and let the rest of it go.